Glassnode founder predicts Bitcoin climbing back to 72,000 soon. According to analysis by Glassnode co-founders provided in insights into Bitcoin's potential rebound, they indicated to a possible surge to $72,000 and highlighted the 15-day exponential moving average EMA at $62,000 as a key support level. Bitcoin strong support at 50-day EMA. The current 50-day EMA acts as a vital support level for Bitcoin, suggesting strong buying sentiment. It serves as a potential floor, helping prevent further price declines. At this level, investor confidence seems stable, which could lead to price rebound. The market dynamics observed here are crucial for understanding the next moves in Bitcoin price. Short-term EMAs show a buying trend, while long-term EMAs indicate sellings. This contrasting behavior between EMAs provided a clearer picture of current market conditions. The market is stabilizing after a significant 92% increase over 6 months. Since such information is essential for investors looking a gauge future movements. Given the context, the Glassnode co-founder recommended a strategic approach for investors. They advocate for utilizing short-term dips in Bitcoin price as a valuable buying opportunities. This strategy is particularly pertinent during a ongoing consolidation phase, which within the broader bullish trend that Bitcoin has been navigating. By adopting such a calculated approach, investor can optimize their positions and capitulate on the anticipated rebound. In the terms of current market performance, Bitcoin price is trading at $66,673. This price marks a slight 0.76% increase over the last day and a 4.80% raise over the week. These figures suggest a relatively stable and positive trend in short term, which aligns well with analytical insights provided by Glassnode co-founders. The founders suggest buying on dips as a viable strategy during a market consolidation. These views these moments as opportunities to enhance the positions ahead of expected upward movements.